Hello art friends, we're gonna be drawing the Patriots logo. And we're gonna start with a diagonal line here. Then we're gonna have a line coming up, like so, and a line coming across and back up like this. There we go. And there's gonna be a star right here. Ugh, what the heck? There we go, star, come on now. And then about halfway across, we're gonna take and come in, come out like a V, back in, a little down, back out, and back down, like that. And then we're gonna have another line on the inside that's gonna come back up, in, out, out. Back up, down, back, little pointy thing, like so, and then down, and back across. And then back here, about here, we're gonna have a line that comes in, but it's gonna be a little higher, about there. And then it's gonna do some zigzagging. Just like that. All right, let's get a marker on this. Okay, so I think I'm gonna start back here. And I'm just gonna make a nice line coming down, up, like so. And then line coming down, back. That. There we go. And then we got the star. Then we've got the face inside with a diagonal line. And I think that's it. All right, there is the Patriots logo. If you enjoyed this, please give it a thumbs up, and thank you for watching.